CLSK stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So as I'm observing and just looking at CleanSpark stock, I'm again reminded of the fact that it's looking so good for me. Like, I'm not a guy that's forcing stuff, you know. I mean, I'm the only guy that's done 35,000 videos exactly like this every single day in a row for like maybe I've gotten like over those 4 years probably like maximum 20 days off, and that's like a bro, that's a lot. But like generally speaking right now, the only thing that I care about is really continuously trying to take things long. This looks like even, I mean, this looks crazy, I get it. That's more so like kind of the management game and whatnot, but like the only thing that I was waiting for higher time frame is that double break. And I'm now entering this on the lower time frame like once Tuesday rolls around tomorrow, because today is a holiday. The only thing that I would love to see is just this proper shift, and if I don't, guess what, I'm just not going to be a part of this movement, and that's totally fine with me. I'm not going to see him force moves whatsoever. We have earnings in 17 days, so that's Gucci. And what else can I say other than CLSK really started shifting here, and I'm actually all eyes and all ears on this stock, in this ticker. So pre-market is crucial as well. Gonna keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.